first day of October in Orange Beach could not be more beautiful, y'all. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous weather. It's perfect. We're right here in front of the Turquoise Place, and it is absolutely amazing today. Look at this sandbar. Oh, it's looking beautiful.
Oh, really? What size is the one?
Oh, there's a big moon jelly.
Ooh. Big moon jelly.
It's the first day of October, and I just had to show y'all how gorgeous the water is here in Orange Beach. We are walking on a sandbar, and the water is so clear you can see everything in it. We've seen a couple of sharks and lots of moon jellies. A few things that I couldn't identify. Hopefully I'll see another one and y'all can tell us what it is, because I don't have a clue. But look at how gorgeous the water is, y'all. Lots of pelicans out today too. You can see the fish in the water, so they have been out here eating. So right over there by the pier, we saw a couple of sharks. I tried to go live down there, but I was having technical difficulties. Probably operator error, but anyway. So there's a few moon jellies. We haven't seen any of the small jellyfish, but the water's so clear you can easily see the big moon jellies. And the water is pretty cool. It was actually cooler than what it was when I walked yesterday morning, surprisingly, but definitely still warm enough to swim in. I hope it's clear. There's some fish swimming up here. Can y'all see that? Another moon jelly. And the water is so low right now that we were able to walk under the pier several slots out. We came down for a, there was a big Freedom Rally parade a while ago that came down the boulevard with lots of motorcycles and Jeeps. That was a lot of fun, and we decided to walk over, and I'm so glad we did. It is gorgeous. Let's go see what this is out here. We saw some kind of really dark brown, something, it looked like a bat, sort of a sea slug, but it looked like a bat. I was really hoping that we could see one of them again. We've seen two today, so that maybe somebody on here could tell us what it is, because I don't have a clue. Really cute looking. The banner plane flying over. Where am I? I'm in Orange Beach. There's a dolphin cruise going out. We haven't seen any dolphins today. There were several out early this morning, but haven't seen any this afternoon. But that dolphin cruise will get them stirred up. A lot of parasailers were out today. Just past the pier is the Cotton Bayou public beach access location. And then the big condos, the twins right there, are the, that's the turquoise place. So that's where we are. Lots of dorky people out today. Ah! Yes, it is. I expected it to be a little rougher because it was kind of rough yesterday. Thursday night, it was definitely rough. If y'all seen my video from last night or Thursday night of the jet skier, that was Thursday night, and the waves were taller than him in the jet ski. We were hitting like 7 to 10 foot waves. And then it got a little better yesterday, and as you can see, it is like really calm and just beautiful today. And honestly, if I had known it was going to be this calm, I would have brought the kayaks. We love to kayak out here, especially early morning. You can get out here on a boat or a kayak, and the dolphins will come up around you. That's a lot of fun. But it has to be really calm. And then a nice little shallow area here. It's probably not a foot deep. And then when it drops off right there, it's only like 2 foot deep. So you're having to go out a good ways. Well, you can see where those people are standing right there. Have to go out a good ways. Oh my gosh. Oh, you just never know what you're going to see on the beach.
Forrest! Come back, Forrest!
Is he doing a Baywatch tryout?
That looks like a long-haired Tom Cruise. Let it run.
Oh my gosh. So, I was going to walk down to the jetty today, but I think we're going to cut it short and head back up to the wharf to go to Freedom Fest. I really want to see the cars. Okay guys, I'm going to sign off, and we're going to just chill here for a few minutes in Orange Beach. Thank you all for joining. I hope you enjoyed the view. Y'all have a great day. It's like an aquarium. Gorgeous. Oh, I'm gonna go down here. The dolphin boat's out there, and There's a couple of dolphins coming up to them. Oh, scared Fred. I mean to scare you, Fred.
But wait, let me check it out. Make sure there's no more jellyfish.